What is up, people? I hope you're doing well. Today I want to teach you about a type and an antitype. So just briefly, if you think about a menu and a burger, the menu tells you about the burger, but it isn't a burger. It tells you the ingredients, the price, perhaps even shows you a picture of it, but you can't eat the menu, you can only eat the burger. So the menu is the type and the burger is the end result, the antitype. And now I want to look at Noah. So Noah is a very interesting character in the Old Testament concerning the flood, right? So Noah is a type that foreshadows Christ in many ways, but he also foreshadows the church. And I'll give you 4 reasons why I wrote them down. So I'm just going to pick at them every now and again. So first of all, in 2 Peter 2 verse 5, he is mentioned to be a herald of righteousness, proclaiming the righteousness of God and also the repercussions thereof, being the flood. If you don't hold on to this or obey and listen and join in the ark inside of Christ, you will perish. That's point number 1. Point number 2, he built the ark by faith. So he walked in obedience to God and he trusted God, saying that there is a flood on its way. Think about this. And thirdly, he emerged into a new creation. After the flood has been dealt with and the ark came to rest on the mountain, God led them out and they walked into a renewed creation. This is the church. This is the church. We are longing for the new creation, the eternal age of perfect righteousness and the eternal state of sinlessness. This is what we long for. And then lastly, he was saved through the ark. The ark referring to Christ. Everyone who is inside Christ, who takes hold in humility of that righteousness received through faith from Christ, will be saved. And this salvation was made whole by God, as even God told Abraham, Noah, do not shut the door of the ark. I will shut it, and therefore I will keep it closed and keep it sealed. I will keep you safe. This is amazing. Please let me know what you think about this in the comments. If you learned anything new, fantastic, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.